guys, it's Redfire, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a password cracker using brute force on Python. Remember to like the video if you like it, and subscribe if you want more content like this. Alright, so let's get right into it. There are some things you're going to want to import. One of those things is going to be keyboard, and keyboard is not involved when you download Python. So just before you do that, pip install keyboard. I already did this, but you guys are probably don't have it installed. And then you want to do import time. This is a Python package that comes in its library, so you should have that. And then okay, so now we got that. Now we're going to create the passwords, right? So in this script, we're gonna have a 4-digit password. So the way we're actually gonna create, the list of passwords. First, we're gonna call, we'll call this p_p for passwords to crack. These are our passwords, passable passwords. All right, we're gonna make a list here. All right. So for I in range 0 to 10,000, because there are 10,000 possible passwords. If you have only numbers and using up to 10,000, it's going to be in one of those combinations. It's not going to be something weird, right? Because usually when you're cracking passwords, 4 digits, with just numbers, it's going to be pretty simple like this, right? So then you can do if I is less than 10, then you could do something like, because what we want is when we import into the computer, it's going to be 4 numbers. So we don't want it to be 1 and then do the next number 2. We want it to be 0, 0, 0, 1. So if I is less than 10, that means if it's 1 digit, we're going to do p_p dot append 0, 0, 0 this dot format. Am I spelling that wrong? Okay. Did I spell format wrong? Alright, I don't know. Format. Yeah, that should be how you spell format. Okay. So, and then we can just do this. Copy paste this. For the other 3, right? So this would be 100 and this would be 1000, and then we could just take away the respective zeros, right? And then for the last one, we actually want this, we want these to be else's. Yeah, we want these to be else's because it just make things run smoother. And then lastly, else p_p dot append the string of I. So why do we do this? Why do we append the string of I? Because if we just appended I, it would actually would be what do you call it? If we just appended I, it would actually be a number type, an integer type. So if that happened we'd have 2 different data types in our list, and that would cause problems when we're trying to type it all out. It's also a lot easier rather when you're typing it, converting it into the same data type rather than we just have it all the same data type in data structure. Right. And now we're gonna have entering the password. So this should take approximately 17 to 20 minutes to fully finish. 17 to 20 minutes to fully finish. But you might crack it before when it's entirely done. So you could crack it and then it would be done. But I'm saying if the password is all the way up there, this is how long the whole thing would take. And you'll probably crack it around 8. That's probably what's gonna happen. So this is how I'm setting it up. It's very, very simple. I do for I in p underscore p, and then I do for x in I. So hold on, let's back up. For I in p underscore p, I'm saying for each index in p underscore p, each index in this list. So then we're taking the actual number, so we would have 0, 0, 0. And then for x and I, it's for each index in that string. So that would be 0, 0, 0, 0. That would be each for x. Iterate through that, each through 0. And then this is where the keyboard comes in. We're going to do keyboard dot write, and then we're going to put x. All right. So now that that's done, this is all done, we could pull up a Google Doc. Let's close that. Pull up a Google Doc. All right. Right here, we're gonna have it type. But let's do this. Python 3 YouTube.py. I think I called it that. There you go. And it's just gonna start going forever and ever. Until it's done. It should take approximately 17, 18 minutes. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like and subscribe and comment if you liked the video. Oh yeah, I know it doesn't put those colors. That's just for the Google Doc that I created. And yeah, thank you for watching.